If you're shopping for a convertible car seat in 2024, these are two car seats that you should totally be looking at. We have the ever popular NUNA RAVA car seat and the all-new Britax Poplar, and I'm going to be comparing the two. Okay, so things about car seats is that we want them rear-facing, extended rear-facing. It is the safest way to ride. The reason you want it extended rear-facing is because when you are forward-facing and you're, God forbid, in a crash, all your body like thrashes forward. But if you're rear-facing, your body goes right into the back of the car seat, protecting your head and neck and spine, all those things that are important for baby. So the cool thing about these, they both go rear-facing to 50 pounds. Another thing that you want to do is you want to have a car seat that is easy to install. So the Poplar and the Rava are easy to install. Let me show you. So with the Poplar, underneath here, you squeeze right here, you open this up, and then you're gonna floss your seatbelt through in order to put your seatbelt in. And you push this in, you close this up, and it's locked off, and you are good to go in the rear-facing or forward-facing positions. With the Rava, what you'll do is you will open up pull these out, and underneath here, you'll sort of expose, and there are these little sort of doors that you'll open up and close, and then you'll install them forward-facing or rear-facing. In order to recline the car seat, the recline position is very elegant here on the Rava. You push this down and you have all these different levels of recline. The red is forward-facing and the blue is rear-facing. To recline the Poplar, you squeeze underneath here. So it's just, again, they're all definitely multi-levels of recline on this as well. It's just sort of like a different mechanism that does that. In the front, and this one's on the side, I happen to be a little bit, I like this one. I like this button, just feels nice for me. The other thing about the Rava is you'll see that there's side impact protection pods on the side. So there are 3 levels of side impact protection. 25% of crashes are from the side, so you definitely want to make sure that there's great side impact protection. But both the Poplar and the Rava have good side impact protection, and they both have non-rethread harnesses. To move the harness up and down, you pull up in here, and you pull up and down like that with that. So easy to go. Something to know is that the Poplar is 17 inches wide, which means you can get 3 across in the back seat. The Rava is more wider than English Shelley. The Rava is wider than 17 inches wide, so you can't get 3 across with the NUNA RAVA. If you want a NUNA car seat, you can get 3 across. Check out the NUNA Exec. I'm going to be doing a comparison of the Exec and the Poplar as well, so you can check that out. And also, something that the Rava has that the Poplar doesn't have is that the NUNA RAVA is chemical flame retardant free. All NUNA car seats are flame retardant free. When the Poplar comes out with safe wash varieties, that will be flame retardant free, but in the meantime, you should know confidently that the NUNA RAVA is flame retardant free. So, and then there's a disparity in terms of price point. And by the way, if you want to buy the Poplar or the Rava, please click the link below. And that's where you can support the channel by clicking and buying via the links below. The Poplar is just about $300, depending on the model, and the Rava at this particular moment is $550. So there's definitely a disparity in terms of price points between the two seats, but they're both like super safe. They are, I think your child will be very comfortable in it. If you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe and like this video and subscribe today, and I'll see you at another Magic Beans video.